Today is Monday, August 29th, 2022. And these are Mochi's puppies at 3 weeks old. And they're playing who gets to be top of the pile. Huh. Isn't that true? Huh. Yeah. Hey, baby. It's Miss Darcy. Our little baby girl. Yeah. Little black girl, huh? I don't have any food. Nope. No food. That's our little boy. His name is Stuart. Stuart. This is Vivi. Vivi. Can you wake up? Everybody wants to be popped a pile. Yeah. Everyone's doing well. Yeah, Jeff gone on Mochi. Huh? Yep. Oh, you're just coming to get pet. You say you need some petting too? Huh? I guess you can do both things. Huh. Get some cuddles and check on the babies. They're trying to get their feet under them. They're just not quite walking yet. They're like, since you're here, Mom, we will take a snack.